Hi, my name is Jershon Ang from the Hong Kong Polytechnic University. I just graduated recently from doing the major of aviation engineering. And in the past 4 years, the HKIE, I just want to share, has been really fruitful for me and really helpful in my engineering career, in my engineering pathway. And from a lot of the past events, I've learned so much stuff, and it really opened my mind to different horizons and different perspectives in different industries, and especially being in the aviation industry, which is really niche. Um, I believe that the HKIE has shared with me a lot of fruitful, insightful experiences that I could really take with me throughout my career. Um, so in this video I just want to share about one really the proudest thing I've achieved in my last final year, which is my final year project, my FYP, in which we had to build planes. In which we had to build a plane for a competition hosted by the AIAA, the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics, and how we had to design it and fabricate it and fly it and go to the US and fly it. And so I'm really proud of this achievement as the being the sub-team lead of the aerodynamics sub-team. So as the sub-team lead, I was in charge of basically the initial design of the aircraft, all of the aerodynamic parameters, all of the aerodynamic aspects. I led a team of 5 people to lead the way towards the design of this plane, the entire design of this plane. And as the aerodynamics team, it is really essential to make sure that the basic aerodynamics of the aircraft really is stable. So yeah, on the screen you can see the picture of the plane. And so this was the plane that we flew in the US, where we got to win first in Asia, beating UST, HKU, and other Asian universities, and 19th worldwide. So the reason why I'm really proud of this achievement is because not just because we topped in Asia, but because the plane flew really beautifully. And with all of the things that I've learned in class and even in exchange, and all of the opportunities that I got to have in conversations with engineers, in conversations with peers, especially peers of mine under the HKIE organization, it has really helped me to have this kind of engineering mindset into how to design things, how to look at different things clearly, and integrating different aspects of engineering really. And I do believe that the HKIE has really helped pave the way for me to really gain this mindset. Because when you study engineering in school, when you're doing homeworks and when you're doing quizzes and exams, it's really, when you're just doing everything academically, you don't really learn much. You don't really get to put yourself in an engineering mindset, not until you really do a project, not until you really talk to your peers, and not until you really get different ideas and different perspectives, so that you can see things and solve problems in a different way, in a different method, and just learn to think outside of the box. And these connections that I've made with my peers and my mentors in the HKIE has really helped me to do just that. So yeah, I just want to thank the HKIE for the past 4 years of my time in PolyU, in uni, in Hong Kong. It has really helped me to gain insight, really valuable insight in the engineering field. Aside from all of the technical visits and all of the career talks and all of the networking, and all of the events that the HKIE and the PolyU student chapter, what they have done, the most valuable thing that the HKIE really has to provide is this network of engineers and like-minded people. I shouldn't say like-minded people, but unlike-minded people who you really learn a lot from, and really, yeah, get other people's perspectives and really broaden your view of the engineering industry. So I really want to thank the HKIE for that. And it really helped me achieve this one of the greatest achievements I've accomplished in my university life, and to really give me this chance to really succeed in this competition, and to really share my knowledge with my juniors as well. So yeah, thank you so much for listening.